Hi friends, welcome back to math. As we talked about yesterday, today we are going to count pennies through dimes. So let's start with a little warm up. We know how to count by tens, by ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's just basic counting all the way up. Now let's practice by fives. Ready? 5, 10. I hope you're saying this out loud with me at home. Ready? Try it again. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Can you keep going on your own? Good. Keep practicing to 100. And if you want an extra challenge, go further. Now let's warm up with counting by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Awesome. That's going to help you a lot once you get to multiplication. But it also helps with counting money. So we're going to start easy. So let's review. 3 pennies is 3 cents. Click 3 cents. Submit. Now we're mixing it up. Remember, man with the ponytail, but they're even trying to confuse you more. Look, now they have the building on the back. Oh my goodness. But guess what? You can tell because it's the exact same size that it's the same coin. So I know, and you know what's kind of annoying is that they put the penny in the middle. So your brain's doing all sorts of gymnastics, but it's really good for you. So just do this for a few minutes as long as it's good practice. Let's count these together. Ready? 5, 10, 15. But notice 15 isn't an answer right here because we forgot our penny. We've got to count on by 1. So we grab onto our 15. 1 more than 15 is 16. So we know that 16 cents is our answer because that's how much money is there. Good. Here we have a dime. So this is new to us, but you can remember that torch with the trees. A dime is worth 10 cents. So 10, and then count on. If you need to, you can grab it in your hand. 10, 11, 12, 13. So there's 13 cents right here. So I can press submit. And now just pennies. So this should be easy. You count the pennies. I also could go, okay, there's 4 on top and 5 on the bottom. That's 4 plus 5. For some of you more advanced math friends, you already know 4 plus 5 is 9, so it's 9 cents. Here we have a mix, and this is where it gets a little tricky tembo. No sir rembo, saribari rucci, peperi pembo. Do you remember? We start with the biggest number, which ironically is the smallest coin. How's that for confusing? We're going to start with the dime. He's Mr. 10. You grab onto the 10, and then you add 5 because the nickel is worth 5. So you have 10, 5 more is 15, then 16, 17. Now, a trick for this is if you have a pad of paper, you write down 10 for the dime, 5 for the nickel, 2 for the pennies, or you could even do 10, 5, 1, 1. I wish I could teach you this in person, friends. I promise it would be a lot easier, but you're doing so great. Just make sure that you only do this for about 10 to 15 minutes. If it's too hard, stop after 15 minutes. Set a timer. It doesn't have to be a frustrating, long activity. But it is a good skill to learn. That's why we've got to start learning it. And you're going to do more in first grade, and it's something you'll do for the rest of your life. So I hope that you learned a lot from this video. Really get out the real coins. Practice, practice, practice. On here, I have a dime, if it'll let me. It's on the wrong mode. I have a dime here. I have a nickel here. I have a penny here. How much is it? 16 cents. 10 and 5 is 15. 1 is 16. Counting on. 17, 18. 19, 20. It just takes practice. You can do it. Have a great day.